Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. JD here. I thought, since I can't really actually start doing any building yet, that'll happen this weekend, I thought I would do for my first video for the 2023 small scale group build sponsored by BG at BG's Model Workshop and Sean at the Scale Modeling Car channel. Maybe a little box opening of this little kit, just to check it out and show you guys what's inside. It's a pretty basic, simple little kit. These, I would like to have that S600. I think it's an S600. Very simple instructions, as you can see, very simple. Not much to it, but it's got separate suspension and exhausts and everything. It looks like it's going to be fun to build. Probably shouldn't take very long. Probably going to take longer to paint it than it is to actually build it. So here I will take some of the parts out of the bag. Show what's going on. Oh, some glass parts. Okay. That's scratched, but that's on the roof, so it doesn't really matter. It's kind of funky looking glass. I don't know if that's going to work out. I mean, it's going to have to work out. That's the only thing I got, but I might have to do a little polish on it there. It's a little scratched up. Oops. Won't understand why they put it in the bag with the parts, but we got a small set of decals. Probably won't be using any of those because I'm not building a race car. We got some rubbery little tires. I guess some acrylic paint or something to paint the wide white walls like I did on my Model A. Those were hard plastic though, so I'll have to see how that goes. Got our chassis. Oh, a little bit of flash, not too bad. Take care of it. I ain't as scared of no flash. Then we've got. Sure, there's nothing in the bag. We've got. I don't know how old this kit is, but a little bit, quite a bit of flash, but that's no biggie. I can get rid of it. No chrome parts, so this will be the first kit I ever paint with some chrome paint. I don't know if I'll be using all clad. I think I have some. I think I also have some AK aluminum that I could paint. But again, I'm gonna have to check everything before I build this to see if I can get if I have what I need to paint it, the colors I want. Definitely might have to get some gloss black to put underneath if I paint this chrome. We'll see how that goes. And then last but not least is this little body. It is so cute. That's not bad. A few mold lines it looks like. Not too bad. This should be fun. I'm looking forward to building this. I'm going to probably spend Saturday and Sunday after I get done doing my adulting work and doing laundry. And then Sunday night, hopefully I can get the body all cleaned up, all the parts cleaned up, get all the flash off. And maybe Monday, shoot some primer on it. And by the next weekend after that, throw some color on it, and then maybe by the third weekend, if everything goes the way it's supposed to, I'll have it assembled. But it's a very simple little kit. Looks like a lot of fun. We're really looking forward to building this. So that's a quick look at it. My kit that I'm building. I've got a couple of other ones. I did stash update on them. I got a Gloria Super 6 and a Nissan 65 Nissan Skyline, which is the old original Skyline that the very first, it's not really a GTR, but it's a 2000 GT or something that they raced, I think at Fuji. But it looks like it's going to be fun. I'm going to enjoy this. It's good to see that there's a lot of people are participating in this group build. And there's some like people that I really admire who are taking part in it, like Mark and Chris over at Classic Plastic 101 and Fred Henry and those people. I think Fred Henry's doing one. If not, somebody else. But anyway, so hopefully I can start post an update probably next weekend. I think I'm getting some stuff in the mail. I don't think it's car related stuff. It's more of my little armory weapons kits. I think I bought like 4 or 5 of them, and they're coming in. Should be in this weekend. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Bye bye.